Hi, everybody. This is Megan Bird, the speech and language pathologist at CE Rose. And I'm going to read you a story tonight, and it's about a pug. So I had to share with you my pug. This is Amelie. She is a very old pug, and she is very happy that we are home for this period of time because she gets to spend all this time with us. But I will say that we miss you guys so much. So I'm going to read you this story called Puddle Pug. Okay, here's the book. It's called Puddle Pug. And as you can see, it's by Kim Norman and Kieka Yagamuchi is the person who drew all the pictures. Percy was a puddle pug, and he loved puddles of every sort. He liked swamp puddles and stomp puddles and ready for a romp puddles. He liked foggy puddles and froggy puddles and deeper than a doggy puddle. Percy loved puddles so much that he put them on a map so he could remember where to find them. Look, there's a swampy one and the froggy one and the foggy one. All of Percy's puddles were very pleasing, but he had yet to find the perfect puddle. Some were nearly perfect, like this one and this one. And this one, but something was always missing. What do you guys think was missing? What did he want? One day, Percy heard a splashing on the other side of the fence, and he peered through, and there it was. The perfect puddle. It was big, it was brown, and it was oh so friendly. Percy couldn't resist. Oh, let's look and see what's on the other side of the fence. Oh, what are those, guys? Those are pigs, not pugs. Those are pigs. Splash! Ooh, cool brown water. Ah, squishy, swishy mud. It was a puddle paradise. Percy loved his new puddle. But his puddle did not love him back. There we go. But his puddle did not love him back. Uh-oh. Was it the puddle that didn't love him? Or do you think it was something else? If you think it was something else, what do you think it was that didn't love him? Let's see. Oh, there's Percy. Does he look happy or sad? Percy couldn't get that perfect puddle out of his head. His daily walk, he couldn't enjoy the puddles he did find. They were too buggy. Look at that bug. Or too sluggy. Oh, there's all sorts of slugs on Percy right now. They're also too tiny or too spiny. Look at it, it's a hedgehog. Those are pretty spiny. They were too smelly. What is that, guys? That's a skunk. Skunks definitely smell. Or too yelly. Do you know what that is? Those are geese, and geese are very loud and they yell. And or too endless. What is this? Oh, it's a long stream, and streams do seem endless, but they do end at the ocean. too friendless. Oh, look. What does this say? It says, pigs only. Are you a pig or are you a pug? He's a pug, so he's not supposed to go in there. Only one puddle was just right, and it was behind this fence. Maybe I could blend in, Percy thought. Mama's eye twitched. Look, her eye is twitching. Percy tried sharing a tasty treat. Mama's nose twitched. What do you think this means? What's her face look like? Is she happy with the pug or not? He even tried an underwater route, and Mama's tail twitched. Uh-oh. And she pitched Percy out of that puddle. Aw, look, he was walking away. How do you think Percy feels now? On the next day, Percy felt a drop of water on his head, and oh, good, rain means more puddles, he thought. But then the wind began to whistle through the branches of the old tree, and the whistle grew to a howl, and overhead Percy heard a different sound. Crack! Pigs and pugs scattered as the tree crashed into the wallow. What's a wallow, guys? Oh, look, a pig wallow. It's like a big, muddy pit where the pigs were living. And look, crack. That tree cracked and fell into that big puddle. Oh, no. What do you think all the pigs are going to do? By sundown, Mama Pig had found all but one of her piglets. Where was teeny tiny Petunia? Petunia was too tiny to be gone so long. Where would a too tiny pig go, Percy wondered. Where do you guys think a too tiny little pig would go? Percy thought about it, so he stared at his puddle map. And then he remembered the perfect place for a too tiny pig, and that was in a too tiny puddle. Percy pranced through the fence with Petunia on his back, and Mama's whole body twitched with piggly jiggly joy. How do you think Mama Pig felt? You can tell by their faces how they feel. Look, everyone has a smile, so how do you think they're all feeling? Look, even the other little brothers and sister pigs, they're all smiling too. Percy is a puddle pug, and he loves puddles of every sort. He likes the blue puddles and the dew puddles, which is that water that you see when it's on the flowers in the morning when you first wake up. It's all those little water droplets. That's dew. Or the thick as turtle stew puddles. He likes wide puddles, and he likes the tide puddles, even partly dry puddles. But there is one puddle that he loves the most. And Percy's puddle loves him right back. That's the end of this story, guys. And I really, really hope that I get to see you tomorrow at the parade. So have a great night, and we miss you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.